Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reset network setting in Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s. First you need to open the setting on your phone, then scroll down and find the connection and sharing. Select it and then scroll down again and find the reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Then find the reset setting button. Here confirm your password if you have. Next. And here we can see message reset all setting now. Yes, this might take several seconds. And then click on the OK button. And that's all for today. We reset how to reset network setting in Xiaomi Redmi Note 9s.